Alright everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and we're going to have another great shave. We're using Spearhead Shaving Company, Oakmoss and Sandalwood. I don't actually think I've used this scent of theirs. I've had it for frickin' forever, but I haven't used it. Follow it up with some fine, clean Vetiver. I guess this is kind of an unobtainium shade, because you can't get this anymore. Thank you, CDB. I don't know if you can still get his experimental line. And PAA injector razor. And the brush? Oh, the brush you can get. 2-band Badger. I don't know the type of knot because I ordered it from Druida. But African Blackwood, green tinted briarwood. So pretty cool. We did bloom, because we're going to face lather today and see how it goes, guys. Still got it good and damp. I'm going to sit here and tub load. Just switching it up, you know, changing things. I've been bowl lathering. I used to enjoy face lathering. I had stopped because I liked my bowl lathers. And also, tub loading, you can funky up your soap, won't last as long, so I think we got a good load, guys. But this is good soap. I like it, but it doesn't have like a matching splash, and it's not like one of the scents I have to have, so I do not mind tub loading it. You know me, I gotta rinse the tub off. This is a Saturday shave, Saturday afternoon / evening. Whoop. Drop in the tub, drop in the tub. Don't drop the soap, folks. Get this going. No chunky piece of soap, I think so. Just kind of smush it in really good. Add a little water, see how it does. It may not have loaded enough, I don't know. Here, let's paint it in before I start trying to, there we go. See if I can build a decent lather today. There we go. Dip the tips a little, paint it in, especially on the neck. And this left cheek over here. It's not as much as gotten in there. So y'all know I shave Friday morning. So this shows over 24 hours worth of growth. Had a damn pimple up here yesterday. Had to pop the son of a bitch. I hate pimples up in your temple area. Probably get them because I wear glasses. This may be gelled, guys. No, it's super soft on the tips. You know what? I think this is going to be good enough. You know, I think I've only used Spearhead like 4 times maybe in the last 6 months. So total ever. See how it is. I don't know. We're going to say it's hydrated enough, guys. It's good enough for me. We're going to work with it. Just get a good shade. And I think I've got a Supply brand injector blade in here. It's the only ones I have right now. Keep saying I'm going to buy some, but I haven't. I want to try those P30s though. I really like this L1 injector clone. I have an L1 and I still pick this up over it. Maybe it's because I'm a PAA fanboy. I'll just show it off this time. You'll see all that gross. You want to know that's where I opened it with the WEC the other day? Actually, that's a pimple. I thought that was where I opened it with the WEC, but that's a pimple. Alright. Yeah, that was a freaking pimple, guys. As gross as it sounds, the little whitehead came out. Oh, drop the towel. And back to lather. Oh no, maybe I could have loaded more on this. It's a good knot. I like the flow through on it. It's not super dense. Tips are really nice and soft too though, so oh no. But y'all see that's kind of thin, right? But blame it on me. Don't blame it on the, and that sucks right there. I can't believe it. I thought that's where from the other day when I was using the WEC and I was like, damn it. Out of everything, I'm most upset about that. It's not that. Actually, it's simple. I really didn't think I'd hit anything down here. That's just a bloody shave. Bloody hell. Like, I hate the ones you don't feel or know you did. All right. It's a great scent. I do enjoy it. Yeah, I got church bells here. Every day of the week. All right. We're gonna rinse up, get the blood under control, and we'll be right back. All right, we rinsed up, allumed up, got the blood under control. Dude, that is frustrating as hell. I didn't even rinse my brush. That's how frustrating it was. Normally I rinse so I can show it all to you real nice. Clean Vetiver by Fine in the old flask bottles. I thought it was gonna burn worse than that. I was excited to make some hoops and hollers and didn't even burn that bad. And Fine is just pretty much an alcohol with some scent. Let's see. Oh, and this one has menthol. So, ooh, Kool-Aid. Nice. So, you can see. Hit that spot. Can't believe I hit that. Breakouts, man. I don't know what it is. I think it's sweating more at work and just grinds in because it's not really face. It's more like shoulders I'm getting. So when I come home for lunch, maybe I should shower instead of like eating some food and kicking my feet up for a minute. Ooh, that's really a nice smell. So let me give it a little rinse. So, Dar she blows. It's a beautiful knot, beautiful brush. I really enjoy this brush. Thank you, Jack, for buying DK1 so that I saw it and was enabled to buy mine. So guys, I hope y'all have a good one, and I'll check y'all later.